Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am filming my plan with me, my rewind plan, my memory keeping spread, whatever you want to call it, in my A5 wide Aura Style cloud using the dated inserts that I love very much. So this week is for January 11th through the 17th, and I decided to use, I think this was September mystery? October? I think it was September. Honestly, I don't even remember anymore. I know a lot of people ask in the Facebook group to bring back X mystery, and I'm always like, what mystery was that? Because not only do I have to remember the past ones, but we also have so many done/planned. So it's always a mess to try and figure out which one's which. But it's a mystery. It's really cute. I think we brought a monthly to the shop using it, and it is called Evergreen. So I'm going to call it Evergreen in the title. Not that it really matters to you guys. I am using silver foil with this. I did pull in snowflake items, which are in the shop as a bundle. I think we have silver, gold, hollow, and sparkly hollow available in a bundle if you guys want to pick those up. But yeah, I think it turned out super cute. I love silver with this, but I also think gold would have looked really pretty, or rose would have looked beautiful as well. Hollow, sparkly. Honestly, it would have looked really good with any foil, I think, because of the colors in the kit. I did also pull in a new style weekend banner, which I think looks really cute with this kit, along with the new date covers and the new date dots, date numbers. So let's go ahead and talk about what I did for the base. So for the base, I kept it simple and did silver foil. I used a lot of the full boxes from the foil bundle, along with Once More with Love foiled icons, scripts from my shop, scripts from a lot of people's shops, honestly. We have ones from Randy Plans. We have some from Simply Beautiful Plans. We have some from Plan a Hannah, some from Letters to Apollo. I also pulled in some actually I only pulled in one foiled matte label for my father-in-law's birthday. Yeah, there's just a lot going on in this week, but I think it looks so cute. I also did do 2 extenders for this week because I did need 3 boxes, and you guys will see what I did there. It also was nice because I was able to use 2 extra boxes because there were so many good ones in this kit. I did use silver bougie boxes with this, and I also did do some of the snowflake headers mixed in throughout. So I'm just going to go ahead and start talking about the week itself. And if you guys have any questions about the base or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below and I will answer them ASAP. So on Monday, I did have Starbucks and McDonald's for breakfast. For McDonald's for breakfast, I usually get a hash brown, and then I get it's like a sausage on a biscuit I really like, so in case you were wondering. And then Starbucks is my usual, which is a iced chai with extra pumps. And then I did do some filming this day, so I marked that as work. And then I played a lot of Animal Crossing. You guys will note, and I did mark it in the sidebar as well, that I did play a lot of Animal Crossing this week. I don't know what it was. It was just the week to play Animal Crossing for me. I put a lot of hours in, and I have been overhauling my island. I feel like the base of the island is really close to being done, but I feel doing my entrance, doing my residential areas, my shopping district, I feel have all been easy, but then there's a couple of spaces where I'm stuck on you, the middle back. I'm just I don't know what to put here. I know I want to do an arcade situation. I want to do some kind of spooky alien cemetery area, but I want to hide them because I feel it doesn't go with my overall vibes, but they're something that I want to do. So in case you cared, but otherwise my island's it's on its way, but it's the base is down, but I need to put decorations down, but I'm doing decorations last because it'll be a reward, which is basically how I run my whole life. Is I do things that I don't want to do first, and then I think of everything else as a reward. Oh, Jess sends me a custom, I'm gonna finish up all my other work and then do the custom as a reward. That's pretty much how it goes. So Animal Crossing, and then Nick and I spent quality time in the evening. We did get some Wendy's. I think he wanted a Frosty, so we got Frosty and french fries and dipped them in because that's the best way to do it. And then we watched 90 Day Bears, which is our Monday tradition now, and watched some more Dream Home Makeover. I think we finished Dream Home Makeover on Tuesday, possibly. I think Maybe. I don't know. But anyways, we watched that, and then on Tuesday, I worked, and then we picked up the sandwiches that I told you guys about the last week, and I gave you guys a little rundown. I think they're really good. I don't think that they're like the best sandwiches I've ever had in my entire life, but I think they were good, and I'm glad that I did get them. And then I did play more Animal Crossing. It was definitely like a break week for me, but I feel like definitely rejuvenated and kind of like not overplaying Animal Crossing, but I'm like slowing down and just kind of like I said, I'm stuck on the one area. And then we did have Culver's for like dinner-ish, and I mostly marked it because I got a like brownie. It's basically like a Blizzard, but like Culver's like version of a Blizzard. Sorry if you could hear my computer fan. It's like working on this video as well as, you know, what is it called? Compressing a different video. Anyways, then I watched Kane's live. He's been doing live plan with me's on his Instagram live, and I watched it this night, and then we watched some more Dream Home Makeover. On Wednesday, I ran errands with Nick. We had to go to work to print a couple more orders, I think. I don't remember what it was, but then we took the packages to the post office, and then we stopped at the house because we wanted to see like what was up and what's good. It's like getting really close to being done, and we're really excited because it's been over a year since we began the process, so it's like really exciting that it's going to be done within the next like few months. Then we did stop at Crumble to pick up cookies. I'm actually going to Crumble today, and I'm really excited because they have a cornbread cookie. By the time that you guys see this video, it won't be available, but they often do bring cookies back, so if you have a Crumble near you, hopefully it's going to be good. I will give you guys probably some kind of review later. I did get Popeyes for lunch. I have been obsessed with two things. Popeyes Rip and Chicken with blackened ranch, so good, and their french fries are really good too, I feel like, for like fast food french fries. And then also I've been obsessed with the Chick-fil-A Cobb salad with the lime ranch and a little bit of the, well, not a little bit, a whole packet basically, of the like sweet sriracha dressing. It tastes like kind of like a taco salad when you put it all together, you know what I mean? I've been obsessed with those two things like hard, guys. So Popeyes was what I got, and I got the Rip and Chicken. I actually think this day I actually, Nick ordered the Rip and Chicken, and I just wanted regular chicken tenders, but Nick accidentally ordered me the grilled chicken tenders that were blackened. I don't know why he did that, but he swapped me, and because he's like, I don't really care, I'll eat whatever. And I tried the grilled ones, and I don't know about fast food grilled chicken is besides Chick-fil-A. Anyways, so we switched. So now I'm obsessed with Rip and Chicken because he made that mistake. So I am very thankful for the mistakes that were made. Then also Nick was getting on my nerves to say, Nick writes my memories. I don't know. It's funny, but he wrote that I was annoyed with him. I don't remember, because like the thing is like, I mean, I feel like if you have a significant other, a best friend, like this is how it goes sometimes. You get annoyed and then you get over it like so fast that you forget why you were annoyed. So I don't know why I was annoyed. I think he was just talking too much, which I feel like is sometimes I just like to sit in silence, and Nick loves talking. So I'm gonna go with that's probably what happened. And then I put in that I had death chats with Jess, kittenish Jess, and we were just talking about death. I actually talked about death recently with Kirsten. I know, dark subjects, but like, you know, sometimes you just have these discussions with people, and I just put in my planner. And it's funny because I was like, what sticker should I use to put this in my planner? And then I ordered these stickers specifically for this occasion because I actually didn't have this sheet, which is the like zombie sheet. So there's that. Played some Animal Crossing. Nick put watch Marvel crap. So I'm not really sure what that meant either, but I think it was, we watched these like short Marvel like things, and I don't know anything about Marvel basically, but I'm watching WandaVision with him because I thought that looked a little less Marvel-y. I don't know, because it's weird, but like I'm like, ooh. The first two episodes were draining. Are we on the third episode? I don't remember, but they were kind of draining because I was like, okay, cool. And then the most recent one with the stork, I'm going to go with that, was more interesting, but also I don't really know anything. So Nick's like kind of explaining it to me, but at the same time, I like don't care too much about it, but I'm just like now slightly invested, but I don't care about the rest of the universe because like I can't get into the whole, like, there's like multiple universes or timelines, and then there's multiple of the same character but like different characters, and then I was like, Peters, question mark? I don't know. So that's where I'm at with my life. Like, I don't know. Like, that would interest me, but like, other than that, I don't have any interest. So I actually watched WandaVision on a different day, but he made me watch these things, and I was like, I don't understand. Like, I was telling Jessica that I thought it was like, I don't remember if it was like Captain America Winter Storm. I thought Winter Storm, is it Winter Storm? Was like just like the theme of the movie. I didn't know it was a person. And then Vision, I thought it was just a cute way of being like Wanda TV. I don't know anything, but I'm watching it. Then I watch Jersey Shore and Disney Fairy Tale Weddings, which are way more my speed. I totally get what's going on in those because I'm just like way simpler. Then on Thursday, I worked. I got Popeyes. I worked some more. One was at home, one was at work. And then the in-laws came over and I gave family haircuts. I finished cutting Theo's hair because it was looking like a real wreck. Because I just like scissor cut it in the bathtub, and I like used a like clippers to like make it look like he was like didn't have a bowl cut basically. And then I cut Nick's mom's hair because her hair was so long. I had to cut 11 inches off of her hair, but she saw that I cut my hair and she was like, "You cut my hair?" And I was like, "Yes, sure." So she came over and I just like hacked it off, and it actually looks so good. And she's like, "So much weight off my shoulders." And then Bennett was like, "I want my hair cut." So I actually just like shaped up the sides, but I like his hair like kind of longer. I would really love to dye his hair like pink or blue one day. I think that'd be so cool, and he would be obsessed with it. But I feel like he would need to be like cooler with me like rinsing his head, which at this point in time he is not. He like does not love having his head submerged in water. So there's that. Anyways, then we had Lotus Chinese for dinner, which was so good, and it's so close, so it's so good. And then Jessica and I had a date. We had 2 dates this week. Jessica and J. Crew plans. We went to Treasure Islands. Candace just actually told me about this, and I don't know about this. So me and Jessica were like, all right, let's like do this together. And we went on Thursday and Friday to 2 different ones. If you don't know what it is, just look it up or I'll link you. And then I did watch Dream Home Makeover. Then on Friday, I stayed in bed in the morning. I was so tired. So tired. I don't even really know why. And then I went to work. And then I put an eye roll. I don't remember what I was mad. I think I was just mad at life this day. Let me see. Friday. My notes. I don't remember. But I did get my new boxes in this day, which I did show in the haul. Like, I got boxes for, like, future large orders. They were kind of like, it's more like a tester, so I don't actually have a lot of them. But I am going to be ordering more of them. And they're, like, branded boxes that are beautiful. I was freaking out. I don't know what it is. Like, I've been doing this for 7 years, but for some reason, like, the little things are the things that still, like, get me so dang excited. Like boxes, like the silliest things. But I mean, I guess it's still exciting, but like I feel like a lot of people have boxes and I'm just like, oh my god, a box. So I was so excited this day. It definitely made my week for sure. Then I had Chick-fil-A, played some Animal Crossing, a double bath with the boys, which just means that like it was literally long. And then again, that Treasure Island with Jessica, and then we did watch WandaVision this night. On Saturday, we had Starbucks and McDonald's, and I planned out my island on paper, which was funny. It was less of a, like Jessica actually graphs her island out, but I just kind of like wrote a list of things that I needed to do in a timeline, and then I just put in Animal Crossing, Chick-fil-A, and then more Animal Crossing, and then cuddles with Nick in the PM. Then on Sunday was my father-in-law's birthday, and he wanted home slice for his birthday, so we decided to do a lunch instead of a dinner. So we had home slice and ice cream cake. I found out that Carvel actually is selling ice cream cakes on Amazon Fresh. I don't know if it's like everywhere because like Amazon Fresh is like kind of localized. So like you might have Amazon Fresh, but like obviously like my fresh stuff comes from like an Austin warehouse, and like they have like a specific set of stuff there. So if you do have Amazon Fresh, check out and see if they have Carvel cakes, because they have like mini ones, and they had I think 4 different flavors. It was so good. I haven't had a Carvel ice cream cake in probably like 10-15 years, but it was so good and I was so excited about it. But yeah, it was his birthday. We got him this really nice like grill set. Basically that's like what we're doing is like home grill things for them. So we got him this, like, it's like a flipper and like a tong thing, and you know, and he was excited about it, and Bennett was too, because Bennett loves all things grills, tools, whatever, loves it. And then I ordered the boys' Easter baskets, which was a total fail, because I was like, oh, Theo doesn't have one. And then I realized that like I want them to match. Bennett's only has a B on it. I wanted to have the whole name. So I ordered new Easter baskets on Pottery Barn, only because I also had a 45 credit to Pottery Barn because of like ordering other things. I got like rewards. I don't know, but it was like $45 flat. Like no like spend 50 get 15. It was like 45 flat. So I was like, all right, I'll order both of them, and it's like basically getting one free. But then I realized that like they're not Easter baskets, they're just the covers. So I actually have to check and see if like it works with Bennett's old Easter basket, or if I have to order on top of it 2 Easter baskets, which maybe I can just like order those on Amazon because I think they'd be way cheaper. So let me know if you guys have ever been in that situation. Like, can you just like order similar sized ones? Like, I don't know how Easter baskets work. Anyways, but they're really cute because they're bunnies, and then on the ear it has their name on it. So cute. Playing more Animal Crossing. I put in WTF, but like the actual words as a Planet Hannah sticker. Super cute. Oh, I was just irritated because I was trying to film and there's just so many noises. And then I had McDonald's. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys liked it. I'm actually gonna put some music on the rest. I don't know. I feel like I don't want to like speed it up too much, but I also don't want to just have talk about nothing for 5 minutes. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. And I was sorry if I was talking a little fast, but I'm just like trying to get this done while there's silence. So hope you guys still liked it either way, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.